morning. Welcome Friday. It is your Friday ab day here at Jessie Clark Fitness. It's great to have you guys with us. I've got a little soft music playing. It is raining outside. If you are from Tennessee and you are local, good morning Barbara. You know it has been raining all night. So we are gonna have kind of a rainy day morning, kind of low key. Good to have you with us, Tiffany. And this workout will serve as a replay for our 9:30 folks as well. Good to have you guys with us. Yes, we are going to be warming up. Everything today is from a mat position, so let's just start with some shoulder rolls. Good morning, Barbara. Good morning, Tasha's here. Beverly. Hey, if you had slept in today, I would have understood why. This was a perfect day to just curl back. That's why I said bring a pillow and a blanket. We'll just get cuddly on the floor. All right, y'all, deep breath up. Good. Now hinge, 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 hinge. Good. Bring it down into a child's pose. Awesome. Now from yesterday's workout, we are probably feeling a little bit sore in your upper body. Anybody else feeling that? I'm feeling it right here underneath my armpits, right there to be exact. Some soreness in my pectoral muscles. Ooh, we will try to get a good stretch in today on that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with hand to elbow planks. We've got a sit up on there. We've got an up and over. The equipment you'll need today is a couple of hand weights, not necessarily to lift, but we're gonna be using them as props. You'll need something to drink as well. Are you guys ready to get started? Let's do it. We're gonna start with a plank, and I wanna give a shout out to today's sponsors. These two are here every single day without fail, unless they are on vacation or they sleep in. Beverly and Barbara. So high five to my A-team, Beverly and Barbara, for showing up every single day. All right, y'all. Kim, good morning. Let's go ahead and start with a hand to elbow plank. So you're on your mat. Go ahead and start with the plank. We've got 6 of these, 3 in each direction. Here we go. And down, down, up, up, 2, 2, up, up, 3, 3, up, up. Now start from the other side. Down, down, up, up. You got it. 1, down, up, up. Last one. Down, down, and up. Oh, starting with a bang. Good morning, Anita Arlene. Good morning, Dana. Welcome. All right, next up, I want you to grab one of your weights. We're gonna do a sit up and twist. So all the way back, come up into a twist. We've got 12 of these. Are you ready? Yes, here we go. And sit up and twist. 1. Everything we're doing today is from a mat position. 3, so grab your mat, grab a couple of weights. 4, 5. I'm actually surprised today that they're having school. 6. Not because it's going to be a problem, but because with flooding, 7. There are going to be places where buses can't go. 8, and they know the rain is coming. 9. So I wouldn't be surprised if they canceled. 10, last 2, 11. Any other parents out there? 12. Surprised that they didn't cancel school today? Because I would be fine with mine staying home. All right, next up, y'all, we've got an up and over. So I want you to take these 2 weights, set them at the bottom of your mat. I'm just gonna set them down. We're gonna come in the center with your feet and go up and over, sort of like a V-up position. Good morning, Juanita Williams, tuning in. Here we go. Lean back slightly. We've got 18 of these. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can go in a row. 4, 5. That's it. 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, one more, 18. Oh, I definitely felt those. Definitely felt those. Good morning. All right, next up, we've got a side V-up. Go into a side position. You're right here. Support your hands. Support yourself with your hands. All right, we're gonna do 12 each side. 1, 2, 3, right here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Switch it to the other side. Here we go. Side V-ups for 12. Now this is a pyramid. I don't know if you can tell with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11, one more, and 12. This is a pyramid, and every time we're gonna climb by 6. Let's see, next up we've got flutters. So lay all the way back on your mat. Tuck your hands underneath your tailbone for support. Lay your head back, legs straight, and flutter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get to 30. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, breathe. Breathe. I want you to open up your back. Roll your knees from side to side. Good. Now bring one leg up and give me a little stretch. Switch it out. A little stretch. Second time on the first leg. Bring it in even further. Good. And excellent. Roll it up. All right, y'all. Next up, we've got bicycles. So we're just gonna go elbow to knee for 24. Are you ready? Here we go. Hands behind your back. I'm sorry. Hands behind your head. Sorry. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, Kim. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I feel it. I definitely feel it right here. All right, next up we've got a kneeling side bend. Okay, this was in my head. I'm not sure if we can pull it off, but we're gonna try. You're right here, and 1, 2, if you have a weight, grab it. 3, 4, 5, I actually really feel that. 6, 7, side bend. 8, 9, 10, switch to the other side. Here we go. Side bend on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get to 10. 6, that's it, Juanita. 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. All right, have a seat. We're gonna do a double crunch. double crunch and a star plank, and then we're gonna take a little break. Here's your double crunch. You're gonna tap your feet, bring everything together. Tap your feet, bring it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, that's it. 4, keep moving. 5, 6, 7, crunch. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, yes. All right, roll it up. Your last one is a star plank. All right, come onto your mat. Plank position, and we're gonna do a star, alternating 3 each side from right here. 1, and back down. 2, that's it, Barbara. 3, good job, Beverly. 4, 5, and last one, 6. Yes. All right, you guys, come back, sit in child's pose, stretch out your back, just slightly rotate your hips a little bit from side to side. Now bring one arm through that little crack and just put a little pressure on your arm. That feels good on your shoulder. Switch to the other side. Perfect. All right, y'all, come up for air a little bit. That is round 1 completed. We're still right here on our mat. We're gonna do at least 2 more rounds of that. And pull in some extra weights, all right? Now that we've got it, we're gonna pick up the pace just a little bit this time. Starting with a hand to elbow plank. You ready? Yes, no, maybe? All right, go ahead and start in tabletop. Come up into a plank, and then you're gonna go down onto your forearms. Here we go, 3 each side. Down, down, up, up, 2, 2, up, up, 3, 3, up, up. Switch sides, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. One more, down, down, and you're out of there. All right, next up, you're gonna need a hand weight. Go ahead and grab that weight, sit up and twist. Ready? Here we go. All the way back. 1, 1. I'm using a 10-pound weight today. 2, 2, 2. 3. I was talking to Ella yesterday, and I asked her, 3, 4, you know, are they getting any rain in Tuscaloosa? 5. And she said they're really not getting much rain. 6. I think they got a little bit the day prior. 6. But it's kind of curving. 7. 7, just to the east of Tuscaloosa. 8. 8, so they were not worried about a lot of rain. 9. 9, because if you follow college football, good morning, Tanya. 10, they have a big game this weekend. It's University of Alabama, 11 versus Georgia, which is like number, 3 and 4 in the country. Let's do one more. Back and twist, twist. So I believe College Game Day is broadcasting from Alabama. A bunch of her friends are going. They're gonna try to get on camera. All right, y'all. 2 weights on your mat. We're gonna do an up and over. Are you ready? Here we go, y'all. 2 weights at the end of your mat, up and over for 18. So you're kind of in a V-up position. 1, 2, that's it. 3, you got this, Tanya. 4, 5, good job, Tasha. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it, Tiffany. 12, ooh, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I felt that. Feeling that very much in my lower abs. Next up, we've got a side V-up. Love these. All right, roll onto your side and legs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 each side. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm breaking a sweat. 10, 11, and 12. Roll it to the other side. And then they have 2 big concerts that are in town tonight. And she was like, Mom, I don't know if you've heard of these guys, these rappers. Hold on, I'll tell you in a minute who's playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, side V up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're doing more than we should. 15, 16. I completely lost count on that one. Here are the 2 artists that are on the concert. B.O.B. and it's one of her favorite songs. They did that song, Can You Pretend That Airplanes in the Night Sky Like Shooting Stars? That's one of her favorites. So she's gonna see him. All right, Flutters, lay it all the way back. And then she also said, I may not know this artist, but Waka Flocka is performing. And I was like, oh, I've heard of him. He's also performing. Hi, Kitty. All right, here we go. Roll it back, Flutters. B.O.B. and Waka Flocka. Am I saying that right? Here we go, Flutters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more, 9 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, while we're here, lay here. Let's do some horizontal flutters. Horizontal. Same position, but we're gonna go side to side. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Good. Bring your knees to your chest. Of course, now I have to Google it. I know there's a couple songs I should know, but this is what's happening in the life of our teenagers down there living their best life. And roll it up. Good. Next up, we've got bicycles. All right, take a little water break real quick. I love it that Ella has a job at the university in the math lab. Okay, she's a math tutor. And she calls me every night on her way home. So at about 8:05, I get a phone call from Ella, and she checks in and walks back to her dorm talking to me. That is the best, 10 minutes of my day, to be honest. Aww. All right, y'all. It's so sweet. Okay, bicycles. Here we go. Roll it back. I'm getting sentimental, but yeah, she calls me. Aww. That's all you can really hope for. 1, 2 is that they call you occasionally. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, bicycles, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, get ready for kneeling, roll it up, kneeling side bends. You're right here. I'm gonna grab both my weights this time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it. 5, 6, you're staying close to your body. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, one more, 18, good. All right, double crunch. Now this time, we're gonna add a weight, okay? I should say this, we're going to try to add a weight. I don't know if you guys have been watching the news and all the stories coming in, but we have some family that live in Orlando. Michael's sister and his cousins, his nephews, a bunch of people living in Florida. So we texted them last night and said, are you guys okay? And they're like, we're good, just lost power. I was like, we're good, just lost power. But the good news is they have generators, but I do believe quite a few people out without power down there. All right, roll it back. Double crunch, you guys. Let me go from right here. You're behind your head, and I want you to bring it together. Behind your head, bring it. 1, 2, tap your knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, good. Last one for 6 is the star plank. Star plank. So come into tabletop to start. You're right here. All right, come up into a plank. Now, one hand and rotate. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good stuff. Awesome, y'all. Have a seat. Have a seat. So my hope is that we've got one more round left, by the way. Nobody's trying to get out of here. Let's stretch for 1 second. My hope is that you have put in the effort this week. You've shown up every single day. You've lifted heavy weights where you could. Yes, maybe. Just remember, no one's gonna be standing there putting a heavy weight in your hand, okay? You have to know and feel in your heart, hey, I'm strong enough. I can go a little bit heavier. So, keep trying, okay? One more round. Let's go hand to elbow plank, you guys. Last set, best set. Let's knock out 6 of these. Here we go, and then we'll stretch and get you out of here. And on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway, switch. And I can't wait to get on the road again. One more. Down, down, up, up. Good, grab that weight. This round, let's do a sit-up and press, or You can do a sprinter setup. You can do any setup you want to do. Ready? Here we go. Back. 1. Back. 2. Back. 3. Back. 4. Good. Back. 5. Back. 6. That's it. 7. 7. You got this, Tasha. 8. 4 more. 9. 9. 10. Ooh. 10. 11. 11. One more. 12. 12. Good stuff. Good morning, Larkulia. Good to see you, Q Woods. All right, up and over, friends. Put your weights right here. Up and over for 18. If you don't have weights, you can just use any 2 spots on the floor. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's getting tough. 12, 13. We're all hitting failure. 14. Keep going. 15, 16. 2 more. 17, 18. Oh. Oh. That one was rough. Side V-ups, y'all. Side V-ups. Here we go. Everywhere is a little bit sticky and sweaty right now. Side V-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're definitely 7, generating some heat. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11 and 12. Second side. At the end of this round, I want to do a plank. I've got my clock here. We're going to do a couple of timed planks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go for 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we're probably going to feel that. Flutters. Lay it all the way back. So listen for my cues. We're gonna start low. We're gonna go medium. And then we're gonna go bigger and slower with a bigger range of motion. Here we go. Let's start low to the ground. Low flutters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 pulls. 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20. Oh yeah. All right, horizontals. We added these in. Go toe to heel, stay low. 1, 2, 3, 4, get to 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I felt it. I felt it. Definitely felt it. All right, y'all, we've got bicycles. Bicycles, friends, you ready? So from this position, hands behind your head, elbow to knee. 1, 2, 3, we've got 24, 4, 5, keep pushing, 6, 7, that's it, Beverly, 8, 9, come on Barbara, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, goodness gracious. Definitely feeling that. All right, kneeling side bends. Come up. Ooh, I tell you what, I'm sweating. I'm full blown sweating right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, you're doing great. 4, home stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch sides. Here we go, side bend on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good stuff. Double crunches. You will need your weight for this one. All right, sit it back. Hold that weight over your head. You're gonna come together in the middle. Here we go. Roll it back, and 1, tap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, and 12. Roll it up carefully. All right, y'all, last one is a star plank, and then we're gonna stretch. So roll it into your plank position. Start with tabletop, up onto each each foot. You know what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more, and 6. Oh yeah. All right, bring it down. Again, let's go into child's pose. Now come up onto your toes. Let's go straight up into a pike, y'all. Pike, good. Woo. Shift it into plank. Go all the way down to your mat. Oh yeah. Now give me a half push-up. Oh yeah. Release and sit it back into child's pose. One more of these. Starting from tabletop, on your toes, pike. Good. Now from here, can you recenter and raise one of your legs? Can you do that? Give me one of your legs in the air, bring it back down, and shift the other leg in the air. Good, y'all. All right, shift it forward into plank, all the way flat to your mat. Give me a little half push up, keeping your hips connected. Oh yeah. Good, back into tabletop. Now from right here, I want you to give me a cat and a cow. Remember this one? And a cat, arch your back, and there you go, dip your hips. One more. Good, excellent, y'all. Sit it back. You did good today. You did good today, you sure did. Because here's why you get extra points. It was a rainy day. It's the end of a long week. For all those reasons, I'm so proud that you were here, okay? Thank you again to our sponsors, all of you guys contributing a little bit to keep our 5 a.m. crew going. That's one thing I know for sure, is that you guys are solid, and I appreciate you so much. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Stay dry out there, please. Stay dry, stay safe. If you have to go in on the interstate, stay out of that middle lane that's close to the wall. It always floods, okay? So if you're commuting, and you know what lane I'm talking about, that one on 24, right by Bell Road, stay out of that lane, y'all. It's gonna be a mess. All right, love you guys. Have a great Friday. Let's stay home this weekend. How about that? Bye, Beverly. Thank you, Tanya. Mwah. Thank you to all my replayers, Alicia, Miranda, Nicole, Tamara, Latrina. Y'all have a great day. Bye.